Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel uploading a video on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so from here, open up TikTok. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload a video and demonstrate how to do this. So I'm going to click on the plus icon. Now I'm just going to choose this video here, and now I'm going to hit next. Then I'm going to click next again. Alright, so this is the video I'm going to upload, and then I'm going to cancel it midway through. So in order to do this, I'm going to click post, and then I'm going to turn my phone onto airplane mode and exit out the application. So I'll just quickly show you how to do this. So I'm going to post it. Now I'm going to scroll down, get into airplane mode. You got to do this kind of quickly. All right, it's in airplane mode. Now it's going to stop posting. So if I go to profile, I've got it at 82%. So this video is about 100 megs. So be mindful, depending how big or small your video is going to depend how quickly it's going to upload. So if you've got a small file size, that's going to be pretty much instant. But because this video is about 100 megabytes in size, I'll be able to stop it or pause it halfway. So now my phone, is in airplane mode. I want to get out of the application. So I'm just going to exit out. So I'm going to take that off. Now I'm going to turn airplane mode off, go back, and now I'm going to jump back into the application, go back to profile, and if it still uploads like this, you're just going to have to wait and sit it out until it uploads and then simply delete it. There's no other way you can delete the video. But yeah, this is the next best option. So just click into it, click the three dots, in this video I'm going to show and just you how quickly to delete it. So no one's going to see that video if you didn't want it on there. So if I go back here, you can see I've quickly deleted that video, even though I uploaded, but I deleted it within seconds of putting it in there.